Have you ever wondered how your money can grow? In this video, we're diving into a vital concept, interest. Understanding simple and compound interest is essential for everyone. Whether you're saving for a house, education, or investing. Let's clarify the difference between simple and compound interest. Simple interest is straightforward and easy to calculate. It's calculated on the principal amount only. For example, if you invest $1,000 at a 5% rate, you earn $50 each year. This means after 3 years, you have $1,150. Now, let's explore compound interest. Here's where things get interesting. Compound interest earns interest on interest. Using the same $1,000 at a 5% rate, after the first year, you earn $50. But in the second year, your interest is calculated on $1,050. This means you earn $52.50 that year. By the third year, your interest grows even more. That's the power of compounding. With compound interest, you earn faster over time. It's like a snowball gaining size as it rolls downhill. To illustrate, let's compare both methods over 5 years. With simple interest, you'd have $1,250 by the end. But with compound interest, you'd have about $1,276. Every year, your growth accelerates. This difference can significantly affect your savings, especially for students planning for college or those investing. Now let's summarize. Simple interest is calculated only on the initial amount. Compound interest adds interest on the accumulated balance. Understanding these concepts can help your financial decisions. Make informed choices whether you're saving or investing. To get started, begin tracking your interest rates today. Explore options for savings or investment accounts offering compound interest. Unlock your financial potential by mastering interest calculations. Subscribe for more insights into personal finance. Like this video and share it with others. Together, let's make money management simple and straightforward.